Hi, I'm Sandy Jones. I am a personal trainer here at the Arena Club. I'm here to give you your arena fitness tip of the day. So we're going to talk about training the core 360 degrees around the body. So the core makes up so many different muscles, from the front to the sides to the back. And I want to give you some ideas on how to train these muscles. It's important to keep the entire core nice and strong so that we can become more functional, we can prevent injury, and just become stronger in general. So let's start with the plank. We're going to come down to the ground, place our hands underneath of our shoulders, pushing through the ground and rounding between the shoulder blades. Give the quads a nice squeeze and feel the whole core working along with the shoulders and the legs. To change this so that we work our obliques, we can rotate to the side into a side plank, keeping the hips lifted and the weight pushed into that palm. Another way we can change this is we can do a cross mountain climber, crossing the knee to the opposite elbow, making sure our hips stay nice and low, they don't shoot up, and they don't drop and arch our back. The next move I'm going to show you is the Superman. This is going to focus a little bit more on the back of the body. So you come down to the ground, go ahead and lay on your belly, your head stays down, lifting your heels and your toes off the ground, lift your arms up, head stays nice and low. From here, you can stay here, you can add a lift, or you can add a pull. So I'm Sandy Jones, and that's how you train 360 degrees around the core for your arena fitness tip today.